You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this plant, commonly known as devilwood in English. If you want to learn more plant names that are confusing, stay tuned. This is a genus of about 30 species or species. Osmanthus is the English pronunciation here. Osmanthus. The stress, you've heard it, is on the second syllable, the man syllable. Now the Americans will say man a bit more open, Osmanthus, but similar pronunciation, Osmanthus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.